What do you understand by the concept freedom of speech and expression? Does it cover hate speech also? Why do the films in India stand on a slightly different plane from other forms of expression? Discuss. 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. Freedom of speech and expression is a fundamental right under Article 19, 1A of the Indian Constitution. It allows citizens to express their thoughts and beliefs freely, which is vital for a healthy democracy. However, this right is not absolute and comes with certain restrictions. Body. Restrictions on freedom of speech. Limitations. Freedom of speech can be restricted for reasons such as the sovereignty and integrity of India, security, public order, decency, morality, and contempt of court. These are outlined in Article 19, 2. Hate speech. The Indian legal system does not clearly define hate speech, but it is addressed in sections of the Indian Penal Code, IPC. Sections 153A, 153B, to 95A, and 505 criminalize speech that incites hatred based on religion, race, or community. Censorship in films. Censorship laws. Films in India are subject to pre-censorship under the Cinematograph Act of 1952 and the Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC, unlike other forms of art, such as books or paintings. Reasons for censorship. Films can influence large audiences and may incite violence, especially given India's history of communal tensions. Case example. The controversy over the film Padmavat in 2018 highlighted these issues. Although the Supreme Court upheld its release, the protests demonstrated the tension between freedom of expression and public sentiment. Conclusion. Maintaining democratic values requires reassessing the balance between free speech and its misuse. This includes clearer definitions for hate speech, a thoughtful approach to film censorship, and promoting responsible expression to protect society, while upholding individual rights.